So keying the lock's pretty easy. You really only need one of these plug followers, and these other parts you can do with a screwdriver. I have a tool for it, makes it a lot easier. But you want to go on the side with the spring and put a lever in there like that and just push it in. When you do that, this little core piece is going to pull right out. And then right down in this hole, you want to push this up like so. And this part's a little tricky sometimes. It's just pushing the cylinder out of it itself. Trust me, this is the hardest part. Sometimes it takes a little force. There you go. So after that, you're going to work on getting the cylinder out. This is the part you got to be careful with. And all you really need to do is there's a little ring on here. That's what this tool's for. Push that ring up. Comes out the back like that. That's what keeps the cylinder in there. And yeah, you're gonna need the key for this as well. Put the key in there, turn it like it's unlocked, and this little follower, I imagine you can cut a dowel for it or anything like that. Woo. Take it on there, push out your cylinder like that. So that's gonna keep all your tumblers in there. That's what it does. Because there's springs behind them, they'll all fly out at you. Dump out these old pins for this old key. Then you're going to take the new key, put it in there. I already know the positions for my pins. Let me grab them here. So the pins are all different heights. We got a 6 here. Now at this point you're just going to match it to your key. It's going to take a little while. I didn't take them out of the bags first. But what you want to do is get them to where they're level right across the top. Any shorter it won't work, any taller it won't work. They got to be just perfect. So just like that. So they all go right to the top when the key's in there. Then you go back and then shove it against your plug follower. Goes right back in. And then you're pretty much done. You just got to put it back together. You put this clip on there like that. Then you can pull your key out. And as you can see, let's try the old key. Nothing. And the new key. There you go. Alright. Now you can put it 2 directions putting this in here. These little springs go to the wider sides without the divots. Snaps right back in. To get this little rod in there, you do it just like how you put it in. Go spring side. Hold it back. It's got to go with this piece going through the center to get it to go in. Alright, and then you're back to it. Let's test it again, make sure it's locking. Yep, there it goes. And that's how you do it.